The flaw and weakness of microwave ovens. Oh, they're wonderful. Heat stuff up on in it. Your food's ready in a minute. Great. But there's a flaw in microwave ovens. Nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody wants to knock a microwave oven. But there's a flaw in that oven. And the flaw is, well, I put a little uh, a container of butter in a glass container so I could have butter, melted butter with my lobster. Okay, I put it in there. I forgot to put a lid on top of this container. And what happened? The butter exploded in the microwave. What a mess to clean up. Only in a microwave oven does food explode. It doesn't explode on the grill. It doesn't explode in a frying pan. It doesn't explode in an oven. But it explodes in a microwave oven. I've been caught so many times not putting a lid on food. Because now I got time. It won't explode. Yes, it explodes. I don't mind exploding. It's just the mess it leaves behind in the oven.